Kanye West might view his job description a little differently than everyone else does. You probably see him as a rapper who performs for thousands of fans, collecting millions of dollars for record sales, endorsement deals, concert tickets, and other business endeavors. Kanye sees his job as a risk to his own life. The rapper tells SaturdayNightOnline.com that while performing at his shows and climbing on a tall, mechanical moving mountain, that he's literally risking his life. Kanye says, "If I slipped, you never know. I think about my family and I'm like, wow, this is like being a police officer or something, in a war or something." Yeah, we doubt any police officers or soldiers would liken their jobs to performing on stage, but we guarantee they'd trade Kanye's paychecks. Kanye reportedly says, "You're literally going out to do your job every day knowing that something could happen to you." Yeah, maybe Kanye didn't think his comment through, but if he's serious, he might want to add delusion as a job risk too.